If your engine is struggling to start, performing poorly, or if you are literally noticing fuel dripping from your tailpipe, you are likely facing a fuel pressure nightmare signaled by the code P009B. This code tells us that the fuel pressure relief control circuit is open, which is a serious situation because it involves how your car manages highly pressurized fuel. The whole point of this system is to make sure your engine gets the exact amount of fuel it needs while returning any excess back to the tank. The Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, monitors the fuel pressure regulator and opens a relief valve when the pressure gets too high. When the circuit is described as open, it means there's a break in the electrical path, preventing the PCM from controlling that valve. This can lead to a massive increase in fuel consumption and potentially dangerous leaks. To fix this, you first need to hunt down all the components, including the fuel pump, the regulator, and the relief valve itself. Start with a very thorough visual inspection of the wiring harness. You are looking for any spots where the wires might have rubbed through their insulation or any connectors that have turned green with corrosion. Since we are dealing with fuel, safety is your top priority. You should use a dedicated fuel pressure gauge to see what is actually happening inside the lines while the engine is running. If the mechanical pressure is within the correct range, but the code persists, the problem is definitely in the wiring or the solenoids. Use your digital multimeter to test for continuity between the relief valve and the PCM. You want to see 0 ohms of resistance. If the circuit is open, you will need to trace the wire to find the break or replace the connector if it is damaged. Repairing the wiring or replacing a faulty fuel pressure relief valve is usually what it takes to get your engine running smoothly again and stop that wasted fuel from pouring out of your exhaust.